How to fix can't open a file on Android. What's up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can open a file that you cannot open. So let's begin. First thing first, you will have to head over to your file manager and locate your file. So I have this file right here on my downloads, but if I try to open it, it won't open. So what you want to do here is just long press on the app, and then click on the more option to compress the app. So from here you can just tap on compress, and this will compress the app. Now you just have to tap on it and then tap on extract and tap on extract here. So once you extract the file, it will show up right here. All you have to do now is long press on this and then rename the app. So just tap on rename and make sure that if you have any other letters here on the extension, make sure it's set to APK and then rename your app. So once you do that, you can tap on it, and once you do that, you will be able to install this app. So I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.